and I'll stir. Then I'll stir it together. Make sure that I'll break them into pieces so that it can cook well. So after 2 minutes of settling, I'll add my blended spices, the pepper and all those comini. So I'll add them to it. This contains ginger, pepper, garlic, and 1 yellow bell pepper. You are seeing it to be yellow because of the yellow pepper that I added, the bell pepper. Yeah, it was yellow. That's why it seems everything is tending to be yellow. So after 5 minutes, I'm adding my gizzard to it. I'm doing this method because I want the gizzard to also absorb some of the pepper before the tomatoes comes in. So that's why I'm adding CCR. So same here also. After 5 minutes, I'll add my tomatoes. Okay, so now I'll be adding my tomatoes to it. I have 10 tomatoes. They are chopped tomatoes, so I'll be using 3 of these ones. I'll add my the mushroom to it. So I need to see the baby at the same time. Mushroom we are fresh one or a tin one maybe, but we will not leave you home. Now, maybe a good amount, to prevent a little bit late time, maybe after CCR, so we are able to both tomatoes not being at the same spot. So the curry powder will be prepared. For the salt, I'll wait after maybe offering the cabbage in the gumono, because when the cabbage in the soup means wow. So I'll be adding my cabbage very soon because it also takes some time before it will be okay. If you have a cabbage, I'm adding my cabbage and the green beans into the stew. So you need mashed tomato sauce for cabbage stew also. With the minced salt will go inside. I'll take 1 tablespoon of salt. I can even taste now and see if the salt content is okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad. So after almost 15 minutes, the cabbage it's almost done. Because you can see the for example, two there white oh, wherever I come ready. Aye, my rough. The two there white naka happy. Honey na baby, meaning they are very small time in our abbey. It's but the last day we will go inside. They were just for garnishing cake. With the WUSTEL, another sausage. We'll go inside. They want my kafra. It's a two DB that they face brother side they face almost side they face and a back or guy or home face Bibia style biabi. This point low jano neja non from temperature no minimum cry because I'm painting beer. Now I'm turning about on fan check what's up. So total of 30 minutes after I add the cabbage to the stew. And I mean with the cabbage, you can decide say you boil it separately, now they add another you can do just as I did, But one thing there's a boiling separate now. Oh yeah, you lose no hunsu because no hunsu you can find the stew, So it seems that some of the nutrients you don't get it. And say the day there you have everything in the stew. But a boil in the soil, it did good stew more, then we're ready to go on China Bay. In my cabbage stew is ready. As I said earlier, no, this can be served with anything: yam, plantain, gari, rice. Just name it. Just name it. Cassava. Just name it. Name it. Continue naming. Continue naming. Our cabbage stew with gizzard. We have WUSTEL or sausage also. With the sausage in there, additional, you can choose to add or not. It depends on how you want your stew to be. Anything in here is a choice. What I say. Yeah, we still ready. We just bust the more day. SOBOLO, so you are dancing. Yeah, we say we a cabbage stew. No one. I mean the number more. It's that bust mama. SOBOLO. No one. You know, I said there's nothing to say. It's just perfect. It is just perfect. You know, or a perfect cake. So I wish you also prepare something like this. And just follow the same steps and the procedure. Boom, or a guy off.